We got some Pokemon cards. Say it. Pokemon cards. Okay. Now that we got that out of the way.
No, we touched another sticker.
Here, man.
We touched another sticker.
Yeah.
Touch more stickers. Where's the sticker go? Where's the sticker go, Dad?
I don't know. Well, my sticker you gave me?
Yeah.
Put it on that thing over there. All right, Michael, look at these. Mike, show the camera. Here, let's start this one. So we got one of these guys. Oh, yeah. Pokemon. Here's another one. Look at this. Oh.
We did send this.
And then this one.
We did send this.
Another wow.
Stephanie.
And then the ultimate. Shiny background card. Whatever the Pokemon nerds call it, huh?
Yeah, but we definitely want to say a lot right now.
Alright.